Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to change transparency of shape in Google Slide. Let's get started. Insert a shape, go to toolbar, click the shape, choose a shape, select the shape and go to toolbar and click the fill color and click the plus icon solid color and choose the custom color and set the transparency and click OK. Select the color and select the custom color I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for